Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay, and we're back with another video, and this time we are in St. Louis, Missouri. So let's ride. Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay. We are out here in St. Louis. We are about to go ahead and check out the St. Charles Harley Davidson out here just to see what they have, browse around and stuff like that. So tomorrow's the 4th of July, so you already know it's gonna go down then. In St. Louis, they are actually allowed to pop the fireworks that go up in the sky. We bought some fireworks today. I'm not used to seeing fireworks like that. I'm used to seeing just the fountains and stuff like that. I'm super excited for tomorrow. But yeah, come ride with us. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you love to see my content. All right, y'all, let's ride. We are pulling up to the St. Charles Harley Davidson, so we're just gonna go ahead and browse around and see what they have. So this Harley is pretty huge. There's a lot to see, a lot of bikes out there, but I'm gonna let y'all know I was quite surprised when I looked to the other side and there's a whole nother dimension. Check it out. There's literally sport bikes everywhere. So of course we had to take a look there, because hopefully soon your girl go ahead and get her a booster. That booster right there that I'm pointing at. Alright, so we're out of there, and now we're gonna go ahead and check out my bros, K9MC St. Louis, Missouri.
Hi, you guys! Alright.
Alright. Y'all from what? North Carolina? Okay. Good, you good?
It's hot out here, y'all. It be hot in North Carolina. Louisiana, but in St. Louis, it's a different type of heat. I don't even know what to call this type of heat, but I'm hot. My dang mustache sweating. Y'all know y'all see it. So we stopped here to link up with some more of the bros, and now they're gonna go ahead and take us night riding. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna go ahead and check out the arch. Damn! He said they usually go all the way down to the arch, but nobody's down here. Yeah, I'm cool with whatever, y'all. I was super stoked that I had this opportunity to get literally right up under the arch. Check it out. It's so beautiful at night, y'all. VIP parking. Look at that, y'all. It's so beautiful. And the water's behind us. The riverfront. I'm so hyped. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to be here. Alright, so we're calling it a night. I want y'all to pay attention to my right. Bro got stuck. The last words that Real said before we took off was to ride on the sidewalks. And bro did not listen. That was literally the laugh of the night, y'all. I really appreciate my bros out there in St. Louis for looking after me and my husband, taking us around. Thank you so much for your hospitality, y'all. So this is it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And before y'all go, make sure y'all check out my family, Big Kuntry TV and Central the Biker. They also looked out for us while we were out there. Until next time, you guys, Shay on Twos is out. Let's ride.